Imagine automating your entire workday, predicting market trends, or handling customer service around the clock, all without writing a single line of code. Many believe sophisticated AI is only for programmers or large corporations with massive tech budgets. But what if I told you a silent revolution is already underway, making advanced AI accessible to everyone, fundamentally changing how we work and live? By the end of this video, you'll discover exactly how low-code AI automation tools are putting this power directly into your hands. No technical expertise required. This isn't a future possibility, it's happening right now. The global AI automation market, already a multi-billion-dollar industry, is projected to reach over $1 trillion by 2033, growing at an astonishing rate of over 31% annually. In just a few years, the percentage of organizations globally utilizing AI automation in at least one business function has soared from 55% in 2023 to an anticipated 88% by 2026. This isn't just for tech giants anymore. Small and medium-sized businesses, or SMBs, have seen their adoption of AI automation nearly double, jumping from 22% in 2024 to 38% in 2026. Why the explosion? Because low-code AI automation delivers tangible, game-changing results. Businesses implementing this technology report an average return on investment of 250% within 18 months. Think about that. More than doubling your investment in less than 2 years. Beyond revenue, it also leads to an average 35% reduction in operational costs. This isn't just about saving money. It's about freeing up your most valuable resource, time. It means you can redirect human talent towards more complex, creative, and strategic tasks, transforming your business or even your personal productivity. Companies that adopt AI automation early may even gain a 6-month head start on competitors in operational efficiency. At its core, low-code AI works by abstracting away the complex programming. Instead of writing lines of Python or JavaScript, you're working with visual interfaces. You drag and drop pre-built blocks, connect arrows, and define simple rules. These blocks often represent sophisticated AI models, data sources, or actions. Imagine a flowchart where each box is a smart decision or an intelligent action, and you're simply telling the system how they should interact. It's about configuring intelligence, not coding it. This approach democratizes AI, making it a tool for product managers, marketers, sales professionals, and small business owners. Essentially, anyone with an idea for how AI could make their work easier. One of the areas seeing the fastest and highest return on investment is customer service. Picture this: AI handles routine customer interactions for as little as 50 to 70 cents each, compared to $6 to $8 for a human agent. This isn't about replacing people. It's about making customer service smarter and more efficient. AI-powered chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, guide users through troubleshooting, and even process basic requests 24/7. Beyond simple chatbots, AI can analyze sentiment in customer queries, automatically route complex issues to the right human agent, and even draft personalized email responses, significantly reducing response times and improving satisfaction. Consider data processing and analysis, another high ROI. Odd area: manually sifting through spreadsheets, extracting information, or generating reports can be tedious and prone to human error. Low-code AI can automate data extraction from documents, clean and categorize raw data, and even identify trends or anomalies for you. Imagine setting up an automation that automatically pulls sales figures from your CRM, cleans inconsistent entries, and then generates a weekly performance report, complete with AI-driven insights, delivered directly to your inbox. This frees up countless hours, ensuring data integrity and providing timely, actionable intelligence. In marketing and sales, low-code AI offers unparalleled personalization and efficiency. You can automate lead scoring by having AI analyze prospect data and prioritize those most likely to convert. AI can generate personalized email sequences based on user behavior, craft social media posts, or even optimize ad spend by identifying the most effective campaign parameters. Think of an automation that monitors new signups, uses AI to segment them based on their initial interactions, and then triggers a tailored onboarding email series, all without manual intervention. For content creation and management, AI can be a powerful co-pilot. While not replacing human creativity, Low-code AI tools can assist with generating article outlines, drafting initial blog posts, summarizing long documents, or even suggesting headline variations for better engagement. You could automate the process of turning a meeting transcript into a concise summary, then auto-post it to an internal knowledge base, all with a few clicks. Now, let's look at the specific tools making this possible for you. The ecosystem of low-code AI automation is vast, but it generally revolves around a few key types of platforms. First, you have the Asterisk integration hubs and ASTs like Zapier or Make.com. These are your digital superconnectors. They don't do the AI processing themselves, but they act as the glue, allowing thousands of different applications to talk to each other. You use them to define triggers, like a new email arriving, and then actions, which can include sending data to an AI model or updating a database. They are the backbone of most sophisticated automations. Next, we have the Asterisk AI models and APIs. Think of tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Anthropic's Claude. While these are powerful AI brains, low-code platforms allow you to tap into their intelligence without writing any code. You can integrate them through Zapier or Make, sending them a prompt and receiving a generated text, summary, or classification back. It's like having a super smart assistant available on demand within your automation flows. Then there are Asterisk data management platforms, such as Airtable or even advanced Google Sheets setups. These act as your structured data repositories. An automation might pull data from a form, send it to an AI for processing, and then store the results in Airtable. These platforms offer robust database functionalities but are presented in an easy-to-use, spreadsheet-like interface, making them perfect for non-developers. Finally, you have Asterisk specialized no-code AI tools, built for specific use cases. These include platforms for building AI-powered chatbots like Landbot, or tools for creating sophisticated workflow automations with AI features embedded, such as Power Automate or even certain features within Notion. These tools often have AI capabilities built directly into their drag-and-drop builders. Imagine a simple yet powerful automation. Let's say you want to summarize all new articles from a specific RSS feed, and then save those summaries to a Google Sheet. Here's how you might set it up without code. First, you'd open a tool like Make.com. Your asterisk trigger asterisk would be